Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous videos we learned that how to insert the data into the database and how to find the record from the database using Artisan Tinker. So we are using a command line interface which is supported by this Artisan Console, which is integrated in the Laravel. So we successfully find the post using this Tinker, and if you are not familiar with this Tinker, you can watch my previous videos, so you can hopefully understand that what is the Tinker and how to use this Tinker. So it's very helpful. I already told you that you can do multiple things with this Artisan. So let's go here and update the record, right? So I'm going to use an object. So let me find something. Okay, it's let me save this into the variable. So I'm going to not use that, it's a post, right? Post, and then let me find the post 1, right? Find post 1, hit enter, and yes, it's finding this Laravel post, and I want to update this post. So how can I do this? It's very simple, as we are doing in the controller or other stuff, right? So you need to specify the user object instance here. Not instance, it's an object, right? You need to specify the object, and then you need to call update method, and update accept an array, right? So you can specify multiple columns or single column, right? So title would be I'm saying that updated Laravel post, it's a Laravel title, right? And hit enter, so it will update this title, right? So it will update this this title, Laravel post, from this updated Laravel title. So hit enter, and yes, it returned true. It means that it's successfully updated the record. So it's a Laravel post, so give it a refresh, and no, it's does not change anything. Why it does not change anything? Because we need to save this thing, right? So we need to call a save here. So let me save this into why I'm calling this user, and this is the post. So let me call this post method here, post update, and now it's returned the true, and here now it's updated this title. So I forgot to add the post instance. I added this user instance, so that's why it's does not updated this title, right? So you can also change the title again. So title 2, save this one and click on refresh, and yes, it's updated this too. So how you can delete the stuff, right? So let's go here and type app, okay, app slash models, and then you need to specify here post model, right? You can use any model which you want. I'm using this post for demonstration purposes. So first you need to find the post. Okay, I'm going to find the 4 post. It's exist in this in the table, right? And you can also put here find or fail method, so it will accept the it will catch the exception, right? And when it find the record, you want to delete this record, right? Call this delete method, so it will delete this 4 record from the database. So hit enter, and yes, it's returning true. It means that it's deleted this record from the database. So let's give it refresh, and no, it's not deleted this. Why? So let's find it. Find 4 and delete. So let me go there, give it a refresh, and still it's not deleted. Let me find the 4 post and save this into a variable, right? So save this into a post variable, and it's returning null. So it means that we don't have this post. Let me give it a refresh again, and but still we have. So why it's not finding the post? Oh, it's app models post find, and it's returning null. So it means that it's deleted from the database, but it's still showing in the database. So let me find the 3, and yes, now it's finding the 3. So you can also delete this 3, right? Delete, and you can call this delete method here and hit enter, and yes, it's returned true. So it means that it's also deleted from the database. So give it a refresh, and why it's not deleting the post also. Now I get the point that why it's not deleting from the database. Why it's not deleting? Because we applied the soft deleting on this model. So it's basically deleting the record, and it's added in the deleted add. So it means that they are soft deleted, right? So you can that's why it's throwing null when we are fetching them again. So if I find this second, so it's not getting. Why? Because of it's deleted and it's stored in the trashed, right? So we can also get the trashed post. Okay, and what is the way of finding the trashed post? I don't know. So let me Google it. Find trashed find soft deleted record in Laravel. Okay, you can also find this find anything which you want. Okay, only trashed, and these methods are available. So let me find trashed method is also available. So and then you need to apply the get method and hit enter, and it says trashed non-static method called statically. So it's only trashed, right? So let me put this only trash. It's only trashed, right? Hit enter, and it says that we have some spelling mistake. Yes, we put this bracket here, so it's throwing that get does not exist on this. Oops, why I'm doing mistake. Hit enter, and yes, now it's finding the deleted post, right? So where deleted at is filled with this date. So great. You can also apply this on the user, so you can quickly know that they are deleting from the database. So let me delete this user. So go here, clear this stuff and delete. Let me set the path here. It's a app. Oops, it's the apps models. Why I'm typing very wrong. So it should be a user model, and then first we need to find the second user, and then we are going to delete this user. Okay, delete and hit enter, and yes, it's turned true. It means that John is deleted. Give it refresh, and yes, John is deleted from the database. So it means that we successfully created the record in the database, find the record, deleted and updated the record. So our artisan section is completed, and I want to tell you one more thing, that when we are doing some mistake in the video, I'm not cutting anything from there, because people learn a lot from the from the mistakes. So you also know about that, what is the mistake, why this error is happening, and how to find this error. So you can easily learn it and understand it in your real environment. So I'm everything implemented step by step without cutting any steps, so you can start it from scratch to advanced. So I will also create the real-time projects so in the series. So stay connected. We'll meet you in the next video.